kidding.
Yeah, those are the ones that are a little too loud.
This is actually, because Sam doesn't flinch or anything,
I know.
this is
This is
awesome,
good.
because Titus will just ignore it.
Ooh, here.
Get him, Titus.
Get him, Sam.
I love the way they're both learning how to, like, box. Or that Sam's boxing now, too.
Good job, buddies.
What are they setting off their phone over their houses? That's kind of dangerous.
Well, now it's not.
Doesn't matter. Just hit somebody.
He's running away from you.
Oh, you guys don't have a fire pit going around. Maybe just move Steve's kayak in the way a little bit. Oh, go get him. Get him up there. Now he'll sleep hard.